Hey guys, Sandy here, and I am back to show you what I accomplished with my March Kill-A-Kit. Now, I still have a good amount of photos left. Now, a lot of these are duplicates, so, like, a lot of these are duplicates, so I don't have as many as it looks, because these are duplicates. This is a duplicate. And this is all shaking of the hand. So this is all going to be 1 page, 2 page, 4 pages. So I have 4 pages that I can still pull out and do with the photos. I still have lots of kit left, not as many papers, but there's a lot in here, and that's totally okay because remember, I pulled from my huge kit that I have for my son's album and just pulled a couple things to kind of keep me on track. So let me show you the layouts that I completed. For this series, I completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So maybe a layout a week with this kit, and that's okay with me. This is an album that I don't have a pressing need to, I've got to get it done type feeling. It's more of a do it as I'm feeling it. I am having a rough time right now with him being gone. On top of that, my daughter is away at her first semester of college as well, so I have a hard time actually scrapbooking these pictures because I miss my son so much. He was also off the grid for a little while and didn't get to speak to him for a while, and definitely a hard time for me to scrapbook these photos, but we're going to pull it together. We're going to be strong, and we're going to talk about these layouts. So this layout right here, I completed it while at a retreat. This is just a story about them eating this breakfast. This is the second time I have scrapbooked these photos. This was once he was home after graduation and we were heading to church. Now this will go in his actual Marine album. The other time I scrapbooked these photos are in our family chronological album. This is the MCRD, Marine Corps Recruiting Depot, and this is where I heat embossed the California and put a star kind of around where San Diego is. So a simple page, but really like it. And then this one, oh no, I need to fix some of this adhesive. So let's do this. So this one, I've scrapbooked these photos as well. Like I said, those were in our family album, and then this is going to be in his Marine album. So these are popped up, and this was just all of our carry-ons when we were waiting for our flight, and I just took a picture of it because I honestly didn't know how many more times all of our bags would be together for a flight. So there's that one. And then I have this one. This is a photo of my son with his drill instructors. And I just decided to not journal, but just use some choice words here, and then decorated it with the I struggle, guys, every single time. I still want to call it khaki, with the craft and the cork, and then there's some mirror and some bronze for a little bit of sparkle and shine. So those are it. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layouts I made with this kit. And I thank you so much for watching this video. I am participating in Kill-A-Kit for April, so that video will be up shortly, guys, and I will see you all soon.